Hello, students. Okay, this is my attempt to put the answers on the screen for you, just so that everyone can see them, to last night's homework. So I'm going to put the answers for 1-5, 1-6, and 1-7. Okay. Okay, here's 1-5. So for question 1, cross out the first, third, and fourth expressions. Number 2, circle the third expression. Question 3, the answer is 5. 4 is 57. Let's see, question 5, the answers are -7, 3, 11, and -9. Question 6 is equals. Question 7 is equals. Question 8 is less than. Question 9 is greater than. Question 10, the points go on these spots here, and these are the lines to show where they go. Question 11 would be left and right. Question 12 is -4. Question 13 is the same sign, and question 14 is negative. 15 would be -24. 16 is different signs. 17 is negative. 18 is -2. 19 is the same. 20 is -2. 21 is -8. 22, the answers are -2 and -9. Question 23, the answers are plus and 10.3. Question 24, the answers are no. 4.8, it becomes a plus sign, yes, and then 8.7. Question 25, the answer is 4.8 plus 8.7 equals 13.5. Question 26, the answers are -4 and -9, plus and 9, and then no. Question 27, the answers are 6, 0, -6, 6, and 0, and then yes. Question 28, the sample answer that the book has is if A and B are the same value, then A minus B is equal to B minus A. All right, moving on. Question 29, the answers are -803, -588, -588, -3207, -3207, 734, and -2473. Question 30, the sample answer is the opposite of -3 is 3, which is a positive number. Counterexample proves that the opposite of a number is not always negative. The math success part, feel free to do that if you'd like. Question 1-6. Number 1, a product is the result of multiplying, a quotient is the result of dividing. Number 2, the answer is 48. Number 3, 3/4 matches to 4/3. 1/2 matches to 2, which can also be written as 2/1. -2 matches to -1/2. Keep in mind that -2 can be written as -2/1. 1 3/4 matches to 4/7, and then -5/3 matches to -3/5. Now keep in mind 1 3/4, if you change that to an improper fraction, would be 7/4. So that's how we go from that to 4/7. Question 4, the answers are negative, positive, 0, and undefined. Question 5, the answers are 4, -4, -4, and 4. Question 6, the answer is different and negative. Question 7, the answer is -90 and -21/50. Question 8, the answer is the same. Question 9, the answer is 2.4 and 16. Question 10, circle the last one. 10 times 10 equals 100. Keep in mind, though all of those answers equal 100, the only one that would be equal to radical 100 would be 10, because in order to be a radical, the number that you get has to be times itself. See, it's not 4 times itself, that's 4 times 25. It's not 50 times itself, it's 50 times 2. But it is 10 times itself. Okay, question 11 would be positive. The sample explanation is if there's no minus sign before the radical, the principal root it is the principal root, which is positive. We're basically saying that just assume it's positive unless there's something telling you that it's negative. Question 12, the answer is 10. 13 would be negative 360, negative 72, and then 72. Question 15 is division. 16 is first and second. Question 17 would be 2 over 5, 6, negative 3/10. Question 18 would be 2/5. Question 19, the answer is negative 3/10. You can look at their work and how they got there. Question 11, the answer is yes. The fractions are the same in order, and there is one negative sign in each problem. Question 21 is 3. Question 22, the model shows that you jump over 2 more sections to make a total of 3. Question 23, the 3 arrows show equal groups represent the divide by 3, and negative 15 divided by 3 equals negative 5. Question 24, the answer is negative 5. Feel free again to do the math success part. Let's do 1-7. Question 1 is identity property, 2 is zero property, 3 is associative property, and 4 is property of negative 1. Question 5 is distributed, 6 is distribution, 7 is distribute. Question 8, the answers are 10, 4, 7, 7, 8, 2, 4, and 4. Question 9 would be the second sentence, 5 times the quantity x plus 7. Question 10, the sample answers, you distribute the 5 outside the parentheses. It multiplies each number into the parentheses. Question 11 is x and 5, and then 5x plus 35. Question 12 is 12, 12, 36, 12, 36, and 2. Question 13 is 1 over 3. Question 14, the answers are 1/3, 1/3, 4/3, 1/3, and 16/3. Question 15 is opposite. Question 16 is 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative a minus 5. Let's move on. Question 17 is 0.25, 4, 4, 28, 1, 29, and then question 18 is 29. Jumping back to 16, I was going to say this, that's why I hesitated. Negative 1 times a becomes negative a. Now you can write it as negative 1a if you want to, but that would be an incorrect writing of it, because when you have a variable and it's times negative 1, then you just put the negative symbol in front of it. Question 19, circle x squared, and yes. Question 20, circle z squared w, and then zw squared, and the answer would be no. Question 21 is yes. Question 22 is 3, 1, and 2. Question 23 is no and yes. Question 24 is yes and negative y plus 1. Question 25 is yes and 5x squared minus 9xy. Okay, and that's it, I believe. Thank you very much.